Hi, this is Apex Artist. This video is created with VO3, which cost me 640 credits on Freebeat AI, which is a lot compared to Kling AI. Now, let's see what Freebeat AI can do for music video. Those clips were created with Freebeat AI. You can upload your Suno music, and it automatically turns your track into a video. It seems Freebeat AI might still be in its beta phase since I couldn't get it to work beyond 15 seconds. Maybe I missed a few steps. Anyway, it offers plenty of features besides music video creation. You can generate a full 3-minute video just from a text prompt, upscale images, swap faces, and even create AI videos directly on the AI video generator page. It includes all the premium models like Sora, Veo, and Kling. Is this the workhouse of AI content? Check this out. It looks a lot like qwen Animate to me. It even includes Suno AI and other music creation tools built right in. Now let's check out the music sample I uploaded. Freebeat AI took it and automatically created a full music video for me. The only issue we noticed is the morphing effect during transitions. Hopefully, that will be improved in future updates. Overall, this is a really interesting site that could be useful for content creators. I'll include the link in the description if you want to check it out. Well, that's all for today. If you enjoy this kind of review content, let me know in the comments. Or maybe you'd rather see more ComfyUI tutorials.